Hi there! Gardening can be a challenge. As someone who often struggles with a green thumb, last fall I decided to take the plug and plant some roses and a 15-gallon mimosa silk tree. At first, when I looked at those tiny plants, I was worried they wouldn't survive the Las Vegas cold winter or the brutal heat, summer heat. Surprisingly, they did. It wasn't as difficult as I thought, and I saved some money. So let me show you how I managed to pull it off. First thing first, I follow tips from local gardening specialists about suitable plants for our desert climate. It turns out that watering correctly is a game changer. I adhered to the watering instructions from the Las Vegas Valley Water District, but I also learned to adapt unpredictable weather. Besides adjusting the irrigation schedule a little sometimes in summer, I also covered my plants like burritos during windy nights in winter to protect them. Oh yes, this year I also learned the spring and fall seasons bring the exciting events called plant sale for local residents. Another day volunteering at this non-profit organization. Today we have plant sale. We have over 3,000 plants available with great prices. It's going to be busy and fun. To support sustainability, I'm going to get one for myself too. Let's go! Last fall, when I learned the rebate offers to replace my grass with artificial turf, I took the advantage and submitted my request to the Las Vegas Valley Water District. This change not only conserved water, but also means less maintenance, giving me more time to focus on my blooming garden. Seeing my roses bloom and mimosa silk tree grow has been so rewarding. If you're like me and gardening isn't your strong suit, not to worry. With a little patience, the right guidance, and maybe a few cozy blankets for your plants, you too can succeed in spring and fall. I'm not here to promote any organization or entity. I'm just sharing my experiences. I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video with friends. Feel free to leave comments. Until next time, happy planting!